Yeah, here we have an import 13 by 40 inch geared head engine lathe. This is pre-wired for 115 volt. You can also wire for 230 volt. There is a slight electrical issue with it. We're going to show you that right now before we get any further into the machine. There's a control transformer, runs 24 volts, and this contactor to turn the machine on and off with the e-stop, well, it's defective. Basically, we just bypassed it. It's making a noise and it doesn't operate correctly, so we just kind of pulled the coil off right there. So that'll probably have to be replaced. Other than that, the machine runs very well. Like I said, we just bypassed that 24 volt contactor. So you have a light that comes on here, okay? And then you have a work light, okay? And here's your e-stop. Of course, that doesn't work because of the contactor. Here's your manual button. We checked all the speeds on here. Forward, reverse on the lead screw. Everything works very nicely on this machine. So here's your manual start. As you can see. Okay, you also have a forward and reverse on the apron here. Turn that on. And you got your lead screw going there. Pull that up. Now we just switch this over. This will operate the cross speed here. We checked all the functions on the machine. All the mechanical functions appear to operate very nicely on here. Okay. It doesn't have any signs of use like metal shavings or any of the like. However, it was a customer return, probably because of that contactor wasn't working properly. I don't believe it's ever been off this factory pallet here. It includes a 4-jaw chuck. There's a backing plate. There's actually 2 of them. Okay. Also, it comes with the foot pedal stop. You got, this is the front cover for your cabinet stands. Comes with backsplash and a drip pan. And here's your lower cabinets. You'll have the linkage in one of those cabinets for your foot pedal control. Also includes a toolbox with tools and metric change gears. Very important. You got your 3-jaw chuck, 4-jaw chuck. You said the machine's in very good condition. It's got a little bit of dirt here, a couple little tiny dents on the front cover, a little bit of rust in that area right here, a little bit right here, a little bit right there. Nothing major. This is a 2 horsepower. Pre-wired 115 volt. And we thank you for looking at our product.